All abafethu Jovicho lapho bathi Danko Disc. Welcome to another week. Sholos, it feels like yesterday.
Yeah.
Ngathi asiphumanga la.
Yeah, ngithanda ukubingelela abalaleli. We greet everyone. We appreciate your support. And then again, we want to appreciate Uspe Pinecrest for giving us a venue, Shamase.
Yes.
It's great. We thank you guys. We can't wait. Sescod in the Wellness Camel.
We are blessed once again, Sabonga Sholos, for making it possible, always with this Stelo skills development. Yeah, kudlaliwe bashawa abantu, basala abantu. Yabona lapha kuma trends kuthiwa khona team defender I cup without being in a cup. Shothi siyas defender yo. It's crazy.
No, it's very sad, but we trust the process. As I said, ukuthi Chiefs is on the building gohlezi ngikusho lokho until isizini iphela. They tried. I was watching the game. They really tried, but it shows ukuthi ama game they were coming thick and fast for them. Sometimes we wouldn't understand why the changes from a coach, but then you'll understand more deep into football ukuthi you want to rotate the players. Exactly. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for the Chiefs, but then again it's something that it has to happen because the players are playing ama game amaningi in a season manje and back-to-back games, so you need those fresh legs to come in. So we understand the rotation phase bayenzayo. It's just that it didn't work out for the Chiefs on that moment. And well done to Kevin Hunt for sticking to the plan and making sure that he progressed to the next stage. And I think it's one stage where he will then show ngoba naye is just started with the team. I think it's positive results. They bring positive change.
No, inamandla Msholozi, and wakusho lokho from our first episode ngempela ukuthi cha sisakwi developing states kodwa futhi Chiefs will surprise you. I think lalapha kwi CAF bawu number 1 if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, they are doing well, and they just need, I think, a point to qualify, which I think is very possible. So I believe what they are doing well, and it builds confidence to the players as well that they are doing so well. It's said that they went out of the cup very early, but we saw sometimes izinto ziyenzeka. We just have to thank ukuthi they've participated and they did well. I mean, like for a team of Chiefs caliber, you will see ukuthi they are slowly getting back to where we know them. Yes. Even if they are not doing so well, but they are getting results, which is positive.
That's true, Msholozi. Back to Nedbank Cup, last 16 we saw it draw.
Yeah. Well done to our team as a KZN. Obviously, we didn't want them to face each other. But now we've got a derby again of Amazulu, Richards Bay. Yes. And we know which means one team from KZN and other teams, it's going to be possible that one team will go through. But St. Joltas or this Balusama team that are going to last 8 because they face each other. It would be nice if Betolane, where we say Nedbank, last 8 we still have amateam KZN now 4 asakhona, and then mhlambe sithi ayike sesine show ukuthi either way but one of the two teams will enter a final. So but it what it is, let's see how it goes.
Ngiyakuzwa mina. Bathi ke amagebhula they are cruising nicely.
Ukuba neqiniso nje ngangikushilo lokho, ukuba neqiniso iPirates is untouchable, not because of what, but because of the work the boys are putting in. I think everyone at Pirates must be proud of the work they are doing. They have not done anything yet. In each game, they must just try and improve. What is impressive with the Pirates as well is that their players are also improving.
Yes.
That's the sad reality, is that their players are also improving, because when people are watching Urele, he's improving bit by bit every game. When you watch Ofosesane, they are improving game by game. So now when you're looking at the team in particular, where you see Umakaula improving game by game, Talent Mbata improving game by game. Talent Mbata basically was the player Okadumbona Pirate. Yes, this boy can play, but ubenga to shadow. Manje uyaphuma manje kwishadow uyabona Talent Mbata that we know. Talent Mbata that takes shot and goal on goals. Talent Mbata that shows confidence. So I mean, like if Pirate, then you then gel them to a team. The team is progressing. The team is also improving under our coach. So I will say, Mina, well done to them. They've set the standard very up, high, and now I think the league will be for them to lose. I'm talking about the league. The cup game is not so much of how do you play. On the day, who does want it more? The league, it's a race, it's comrade.
Yes.
But on the day of the cup, Pirate can play so well. Can't be Kamugenje, Kasrik. If he shy goal a lot, then Pirate cannot come back. But what I'm saying is that, and also bear in mind that a cup game, it needs luck. So every game needs luck, but I will say more of a cup game.
Yes.
So we will find that the team that we were not expecting to win, they can win a penalty, whatever the situation that can happen to the game. But I will say Pirates has got a better chance than any team to win in Nedbank Cup. I'm saying this now. They've got a better chance of winning the league with any other team, because I see Sundowns, Miyegisu coach, sooner or later. I predict maybe even ebuyile lapha, but I don't see him going forward a coach Sundowns.
I get you. And usathinta indaba ye Sundowns, kuna trending news that is happening ukuthi one of the technicians or assistant team of Sundowns ipuchukisa information to coach Rulani ukuthi how are they preparing themselves to
which I don't believe is true.
Is it?
Which I don't believe is true. Sometimes mina ngiyangithi into engcono shamazi ukukhuluma ngento esiyaziyo. I wouldn't want ukuthi Rulani can do that yena self.
Okay.
Fighting against Sundowns ukuthi bazodlala kanjani, because for me it's very sad when you hear such news, because if you're employed by Sundowns, you do such a thing. I don't see where it benefiting you. I think it will be more of someone that was working with Rulani before, then they will think that Rulani will do, because they can engage with anyone. I mean, like for me now, if they were engaging, but I don't think far not doctor. Doctor it doesn't need to tell anyone about into because it's principled. So I don't think kungenzeka, but if kwenzekile, it's very unfortunate, because I will say that person will know better, because Sundowns is a good team, it's a big team as well. Bangakuthola anytime lokho.
I don't know, because indaba genuine sike sibuke kuma platform athize, because it was being broadcasted ka SABC News.
I'm not saying the news will never creep in the point, but I'm saying I will really need evidence. It must link that person in saying Rulani, this is what was happening. For me, I sounding because of the principle when you're signing a contract.
Makes sense, but a lot of noise can be caused if you are great as Rulani.
A lot of noise as well can be created if the team is not doing well under your leadership.
Exactly.
Because I send information on how we're gonna play, but that information will determine if you are as low, then mina njengo coach umuntu sekutshelile ukuthi this is how we're gonna play. Kuhle and go for me, because I can change. Angifuni nokwenza umsindo mina as a coach. Uma ngikwazi lokho kwenzekile, I will work it according to my advantage, because this guy who didn't know ukuthi mina sengiyazi ukuthi useyazi ngithi ukuthi usodlala kanjani, then mina slowly I change. Kuphela into esengizoyenza sengizothi Shamas ngicela uhlale ekhaya kancane for this week, yabo ngifuna ukuprepare something else, ngingakutsheli wena ukuthi sengiyazi
indaba ithini,
ngikutshela futhi nawe ngaleli langa elilodwa lokushintsha lento engifuna ukuyenza. Angazi understand, ngisho ngaleli langa engifuna ukuyenza ngiyakuthuma ngithi ya somewhere else, angikutsheli lutho, ngifuna ukushintsha lento mina.
Nayi phela sikhuluma nama pro lana, people who've been there and they are on it every day, guys, so please take the stats now ishayela ibalo zakho.
Yeah, ingako ngizothi mina ayizibuze ekhaya ukuthi what is it that is being avoided with this situation?
Okay.
Is that if I lose a game, someone was sabotaging my work? I don't want to take the blame, the full blame that I'm entitled. I want to have someone that is coming in and has all work.
Yes,
So you only problem that I'm
get you.
Yeah.
Bafethu no sibonge once again bafethu sila ePinecrest ePinetown.
Sisi nangu uyavela naye manje lapha siyabonga sisi.
We are being served kamnandi kanjani. Please nisondele good people. Prizes are so good. Bethi ngizazonitshengisa le pamphlet poster but ke sekubekwe kuyona, but you always see la kwi screen ukuthi Spare is the best, the quality, your money, you won't regret for it. Icathulo zesikole isakhona good people. Sholos, let's go straight to it. Best last week we're gonna dwell more on the development and the teachings.
And then Mrs. Fagama ama winnings.
Winnings. Yes.
So ubuthe isinombuzo la bengupostile on my WhatsApp groups as well.
Yes.
Ukuthi when uzobuza lo mbuzo ngoba ngifuna ukuphendula.
Sholos mangithi ukurecap kancane khona ngeke ngiphambanisa izinto la.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's been updated. But indaba enkulu good guys besikhuluma nge-development. Yes, exactly. Besilapha ya e-grounding.
Yes, mesikhuluma nge-development ngithe mina today we're going to talk about umbuzo ohlezi ukhona ukuthi how do we
ungaletha
how do we work with development? Ngathi umbuzo uthi namhlanje socacisa ukubaleka noma ukuthi why coaches and parents must not be involved with shouting on the sideline. That was the question. So mina ngizochaza lokho namhlanje ukuthi what is it that we saying ukuthi abame kancane ukushout. You will find ukuthi a 7-year-old 10-year-old utshelwa umzali wakhe phasa lo omunye ucoach naye also saying phasa lo so
kwenzakalana enganeni la.
I'm saying mina ukuze abazali siba encourage. Parents must also come to the games, must watch the games. What we encourage more for parents is that they must also take notes of the good habits their children are doing. They must also take note on the bad habits that their children they are doing. Ngoba kulula ingane ilalela ubaba kunokulalela ucoach at the end of the day. But now the issue ukuthi umzali abayeke ukwenza lokho. They must only upload ingane, especially so that they can see growth. Siyabacela kakhulu abazali not to ukuthi bashout ingane into enjalo. Nakuke engisholoyo la ama points, ama key coaching points engithi coach they must look out for as well when they coaching kids.
Okay.
It is important for a coach to understand that he must never try and tell a kid on what to do when he's got the ball.
Okay.
He must advise uma kuphela game or on half time.
Zona ikhathi lezo coach
uma ngabe uthi ingane ayidlale, then that's why we're having so many players that are playing the same. We are taking away their decision making. We are also taking away their decision making, which is crucial in the game of football. We are also taking away the teaching that we do on the weekend when we say they must always look on their shoulders if there are players that are coming. Should means that we are not teaching football now ukuthi bakwazi ukucheck their blind spots. They must also check ukuthi there is a player that is coming behind to catch the ball from them. Ngoba uyamtshela there is a man coming umtshela at a young age, but then when is he gonna develop the ukuthi akwazi ukuba ne-awareness, akwazi ukuzibekela, akwazi ukusense. So those things must be eliminated to the game.
True.
So that they become better players.
Yeah.
So ngithi go coach what they must do is to encourage every step the boys are taking. The ball has got pressure. Sure. They still need to think on where to pass and how to pass. they still need to think for themselves in a very short space of time. So as someone that has been tweet development for a very long time, I'm saying to coaches that are coaching, it must never be about winning. It must be about educational.
Yeah.
So asiphume kulezi ingane, they must decide on their own if it's a game situation.
I get you. And I remember kwaze kwasuka umsindo kwi-final Super Cup on the 16th. Yeah. It was a situation whereby this coach efuna ukutshela abadlali ukuthi benzeni the same thing that you are saying.
Yes.
And then he was disciplined because wayephazamisa ukuthi umcoachile uqedile.
Yes.
And then now ufabuya miyeka ukuthi abuyele.
Yes. Yes.
The whole year you've been coaching.
That was the thing.
Stealing the moment.
That was why we developed Pinetown Super Cup. Pinetown Super Cup was not supposed to be about coaching. It was observing the work that has been done throughout the year, and then where do you go and develop? I want these people to understand about the coach, so that when we do coaching workshops, we forget that as coaches, what we do is that we now telling players on what to do. When last did you see a player 30 bowler ungasho ukuthi mthathe as decided this is the moment where I want to take them on.
You won't even see if the kid is a special kid.
You won't see because when you're taking everything away from him.
Yeah.
So in danger.
Hey, Sholoz. No, guys, nesixolele ngama phone calls. Asikwazi ukuyicisha. This guy is very busy. Sikaze siluzwa ama-deal.
Yeah,
but no, that's true. Sholoz.
So the topic for today was that they wanted to make sure they understand abazali ukuthi they must only encourage and applaud kushaya izandla whether ingane yenze kabi noma yenze kahle, and then ekhaya no coach, then they would sit down and with the notes. For now, you did this in this moment. This way we mustn't do. But we improve you improve here, so that we have better players. I'm talking about the holistic of development.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about this style of pen. I'm talking about kids. We do that at style as well, whereby maybe we saying is it. But I always tell my coaches, where umntwana has to understand better is where we lost the ball. That's where you can ease the advice. But when we have the ball, when we don't have the ball, let's remind him, back to your place. So that he then develop the idea of him knowing what to do when he doesn't have the ball. But what do we do? We want to tell them what to do when they have the ball, and also tell them when they don't have the ball. So when are they going to enjoy
being robots now?
Yes, so that's what we're creating. So what I'm saying is that we need to make sure that we eliminate that into their game, and then next week, so any topic.
No, that's huge, Msholos, because lentili does turn in the seriousness. So good thing, invite my guest, go to the real people with real stories. Should we need parents' views
so that they can understand?
Exactly.
We're teaching them in the show.
We need kids as well
to understand
for their angle.
Yes.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Okay.
So, coaches, parents, and the kids.
Yes.
Those views, wonke abalulekile to the show.
Cool.
Singagcini sonke so coach.
Sends it a
That's crazy. No, man. Thank you so much. Ikhona topic next week specifically, or
sizobatshela during the week because sisebenza ngezinto, but what we working on is holistic of development. La sisebenza ngedevelopment yonke. So sizoloku sicathulana nje when they have questions, please abawabuze so that we also guided by them. It's very important that this show goes viral. Mawuzwile ngayo tshela omunye umuntu so that it goes by understand ukuthi they really need to make sure lezi ngane zikhula ngendlela. Zizokhula ngendlela where we talk izinto ezikanjena eziqiniso because we talking fact. We're not talking into ukuthi sikamamanga, it's my opinion, it's fact. Zizoba khona ile ingane, you will be alone on that show because ngifuna zikhulume am I witnessing the true things in lento engikhuluma ngayo. So mhlambe manje uzongibuza ama predictions and then sivale ngama predictions in Spain so you guys are more than welcome to come sila Spain we nizosibona nathi sikwazi ukukhuluma
engage exactly babe khona
if ufuna ukuba khona live sibe khona sikuphe ne plate nawo le Spain siube khona nje sihlale phansi engage football
exactly
45 minutes esiwenzayo
because nabazali we do need you here guys. No, we are wrapping it up right now. Msholos back to Epolin.
Yes.
Siyadlalwa kusasa.
Yes.
Mhla ka 13 badlalela iValentine abantu.
Yes, Valentine Durban City idlala no, it was
Marcus there. Let me check now quick.
Durban City, yes. Durban City.
Yes, TS Galaxy.
TS Galaxy.
Yes.
That game because Durban City I'm so coach, I feel like abafana bazodlala more. So Durban City win.
Straight win. Okay.
Straight win. And then we are go
Arrows
Namakes. Hayi bafana bophuthu bamba nayo le. Arrows win. Bafana bophuthu bazobanika uphuthu lapha. Ziyakhala. Then engiyazi ngenhloko yami nje uma ngilele Pirates against Marumo Gallants.
Yes,
Pirates izoyiwina Marumo Gallants. Akuzuba lule with uNdlondlo nalendoda emfishane abadlala nayo but Pirates win.
Nizwele
ama straight win wodwa namhlanje.
Nizwele guys, ningafake amathikiti amakhulu. Just step by step.
Yes.
Nishaye nithole imali le encane nikhule from there. Bese nizothenga spare.
Akukho kunye.
Thank you Msholos. Thank you so much for today, my king. It's an interesting fresh week. Nemvuli yazamancane eThekwini. It's been hot, guys. Ngakhohlwa ukuphuza amanzi. Nisondeleke lapha kwisicelo. Sisabhalisa namanje.
Yes, until
end of February. So
we still live.
Ngaba nenhlanhla uthola iPecial zeValentine. We don't know.
You don't know. Sikhona say beach this weekend. You can join us. Nesibone, you can bring your kid. Izo enjoy. We going to the beach. 14 so we celebrate akona Jimmy.
Nice.
And we also announced a few weeks back which we are in Sanya. We've got another partnership in Sanya. We are growing. We still need ezinye ikole, we still engaging. We hopeful that we're gonna get them. Ngoba sifuna ukutshala lembewu bese bancane until bakhula. So ningakhohlwa ke ingane, let's support them. Singazimemeze kuline senze njoba ngisho uyoyibona yo improve.
Thank you so much. Signing out from me, this is King Shama, so please follow us ka YouTube especially, but it's khona yonke indawo. It's Take 2 TV, guys. Silandele nesicelo sport development uthole nje on daily basis ukuthi benzane grounding. For me, thank you.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Yep.